Dhirubhai Ambani was an Indian businessman who founded Reliance Industries in Mumbai. He started Reliance Industries as one of the largest private sector companies in India, starting with a capital of just 15,000 rupees on his dream, intelligence, and hard work. Here are some of Dhirubhai Ambani's most powerful and inspiring quotes that can lead you to change your life. Don't give up, courage is my conviction. A motivated manpower is the most important thing. I dream of India becoming a great economic superpower. Secret of my success was to have ambition and know minds of men. Taxes for the poor or the stupid people. Never, till my last breath I will work. To retire there is only one place, the cremation ground. You do not require an invitation to make profits. A vision has to be within reach, not in the air. It has to be achievable. Does making money excite me? No, but I have to make money for my shareholders. What excites me is achievement, doing something difficult. Challenge negative forces with hope, self-confidence and conviction. I believe that ambition and initiative will ultimately triumph. We cannot change our rulers, but we can change the way they rule us. Pursue your goals even in the face of difficulties, and convert adversities into opportunities. Keep your morale high, in spite of setbacks. At the end you are bound to succeed. Meeting the deadlines is not good enough, beating the deadlines is my expectation. Only when you dream it you can do it. For those who dare to dream, there is a whole world to win. Often people think opportunity is a matter of luck. I believe opportunities are all around us. Some seize it, others stand and let it pass by. True entrepreneurship comes only from risk-taking. Think big, think fast, think ahead. Ideas are no one's monopoly. Our dreams have to be bigger, our ambitions higher, our commitment deeper, and our efforts greater. This is my dream for Reliance and for India. If you work with determination and with perfection, success will follow. Growth has no limit at Reliance. I keep revising my vision. Only when you dream it you can do it. You accuse me of black marketing, but which of you has not slept with me? Dhirubhai will go one day. But Reliance's employees and shareholders will keep it afloat. Reliance is now a concept in which the Ambanis have become irrelevant. The success of the young entrepreneur will be the key to India's transformation in the new millennium. I, as school kid, was a member of the Civil Guard, something like today's NCC. We had to salute our officers who went round in jeeps. So I thought one day I will also ride in a jeep and somebody else will salute me. There is no question about that. Business is my hobby, it is not a burden to me. In any case, Reliance now can run without me. I had dreams of starting a company like Burma Shell. Reliance's success is a reflection of India's capabilities, the talent of her people and the potential of her entrepreneurs, engineers, managers, and workers. The problem with Indians is that we have lost the habit of thinking big. We must always go for the best. Do not compromise on quality. Reject if it is not the best, not only the best in India, but globally. I am not a believer in religious rituals. I was brought up in the Arya Samaj environment which taught us to shun rituals. Puja, of course, but simple, elegant and brief. Between my past, the present and the future, there is one common factor: relationship and trust. This is the foundation of our growth. I consider myself a pathfinder. I have been excavating the jungle and making the road for others to walk. I like to be the first in everything I do. There is no difference between our methods and those of anybody else. The only difference is that our motivation and dedication is much greater. We can't change our rulers, but we can at least teach them how to rule us. My commitment is to produce at the cheapest price and the best quality. The most important external environment is the Government of India. You have to sell your ideas to the government. Selling the idea is the most important thing, and for that I'll meet anybody in the government. I am willing to salam anyone. One thing you won't find in me, and that is an ego. Play on the frontiers of technology. Be ahead of the tomorrows. I sincerely believe that Indians have the ability to compete with the best in the world. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.